Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your information in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe if you're coming down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Facebook app, and here it opens up in the feed. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines, and then we go into the settings, the little cog in the top right corner. Then we scroll down, and under your information we find download your information. Just tap on this, and if we tap on continue, the information that we have shared with the Facebook app is going to be downloaded, and we can check back on what we have communicated. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.